Meaning of Hobson's choice.
Hobson's choice.
Hobson's choice.
Hobson's choice.
Hobson's choice. Hobson's choice is a phrase used to describe a situation where there appears to be a choice, but in reality, there is only one option available. The phrase originated from Thomas Hobson, a livery stable owner who rented horses to his clients. Hobson offered them the choice of either taking the horse that was closest to the stable door or none at all. Thus, customers had no real choice in which horse they could rent. The phrase has since been used to describe situations where people are forced to choose between one undesirable option or no option at all.